Hey guys, so today I have found more SuperThings Rescue Fast. Yes, and we've picked out a few ones that I hopefully need, although not all of them can be. I'll probably get maybe one new. I think I need 4 because I've got 2 coming in the post. Rail Runner and Skyplay. But anyways, I found can you see these from Co-op Matlock. And these from Sainsbury's Matlock. Anyways, we might as well get into the unboxing. Okay, first one. And it's metallic, not anything I need. Oh, at least it's a new colour. Young Joe. This is the Co-op pile. Wait, no, not Co-op. Wait, yeah, it is Co-op, just Matlock Co-op. And... oh, yeah, goodbye. Next one. Is there anything I need? Oh, yes, it's one I need. Best Bites. Nice. And... it's purple. I got the moon! I got Mono Chaos. Oh my gosh. He's got glitter in him. He's really cool. Everyone seems to be finding, Moon Arch Chaos Mono Chaos, I know. Before they find Emperor Oil, which I find quite strange. There we go, though. And also, I don't know where it's from, but I think we found a packet which had 2 in for some reason somewhere. Who is this? Oh, it's the same one. Anyways, now onto the Sainsbury pile. Wait, this video's only 1 minute. That's a slight problem. And it's Drill Max. The actual Drill Max, not sharp face Drill Max. Oh, and we did get silver. Yeah, I got this for my school since I do already have Still Dirt, but yeah, that's who I thought it might have been. What's this? And it's the same colour of Young Joe. Okay, that's cool. The last one. And it is another Best Bites, but in the same colour. Not the same colour, different colour. So, okay. Okay, so review of what we got. We got 2 green Young Joes, 2 Monster Chefs, but in different colours, 2 Best Bites, but in different colours, 1 Drill Max, actual Drill Max, not Sharp Face. There's 2 Drill Maxes on the checklist, but this is actual Drill Max. The other Drill Max is actually called Sharp Face. Steel Dirt. And Mono Chaos. Moon Arch Chaos himself. Just so you have a good look at him. Look at that. Nice. Now we need 1 more Ultra Rare to go. Okay. I think that will be it for the video, considering I haven't really got much else to do other than maybe... Nah. I think that'll be it for the video. Bye, guys!